Hello people and welcome back to Comet Dashcam channel, a channel that features only the latest and most epic road moments ever caught on driver's dashcam. This episode is going to be full of crazy encounters, so make sure to sit tight and not miss a thing. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. It's no wonder that drivers catch a lot of crazy things on their dashcam while driving around, and this is just one of them. It's unbelievable how this elderly gentleman ended up in this position. In this situation here, the camera caught a really rude driver who parked in the middle of a lane. It's not a parking space, my friend, it's a lane.
It's a lane, it's not a parking space, dude. They're like, look at me like, what's your problem? Like, dude, you're blocking the lane.
When you're out driving on a nice sunny day and you just want to mind your own business, but karma won't leave you alone.
What?
This is usually what happens when you try to cut across a busy road without bothering to look first.
Verizon. The Secret Service plays a critical role in protecting U.S. and visiting world leaders, but it needs to partner with local and state agencies to carry out. Ow! Kevin Nally is. The Secret Service's Chief Information Officer.
If the President of the United States wants to go to Richmond, Virginia, agents in Richmond.
Believe it or not, but this angry Karen got upset simply because the camera showed her thumbs up as she cut him off. At the next traffic stop, she blocked the entire lane, got out of her car, and this is what happened. At the beginning of the video, you can clearly see a frustrated driver who tried to cut in front of the camera, but he failed. Later during the video, he tried to cause a road rage scene by all means possible.
Others insist it was arson, set by people in New Chinatown who don't like Christine Sterling's idea of a native Chinese invention.
Okay,
About
Garmin.
blowing up
Save
who
video.
don't like the competition.
Mother, damn it! Just got in a crash. Mother, I gotta go. Why?
We are in for a spine-chilling moment as one driver lost control of his vehicle and hit the back of a truck. It caused an explosion, but believe it or not, the driver was doing fine.
G.co/passkeys will take you to a page for managing your own passkeys. Many of my phones, when I logged into there, were already registered. I was like, oh man, I still have all these.
In this situation here, the camera was simply minding his own business, but he caught a rude and a reckless driver who thought he could get away with speeding. Unfortunately, a cop was down the road in a hiding, and he made sure to deliver some instant justice. With this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Comet Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and perhaps learning a thing or two from all the mistakes you saw in today's episode. All the clips are used for educational purposes, and hopefully you learned something as well. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like, because that will really help us out a lot. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.